Hello, welcome to Carolina here at the Frankfurt exhibition. My name is Richard Klingede. I work as a product specialist for Carolina to develop new parts, new equipment, and try to explain them. What we have here is the new BenchRack Versa. It's purpose-made flush-mounted bench. That is for creating an opportunity to go lower and more ergonomic. And also creating a driver overability. On this side, they have made it look like you can drive over, so you can have something in front of the bench and back of the bench. But also we wanted to create an easy bench to lift, work bay. Often when you hear Carolina, you think about heavy damage, big benches, heavy pull, big pulls. But we wanted to widen the scope for the bench so you can do more, use it more, have 100% utilization for the work bay, actually hire a technician more. So instead of going down and put an arm out here, we choose to lift on the wheels to get more space, easier access of the vehicle. In this case, we wanted also to go for light and ergonomic ramps. So we had them in aluminium. And by having it in flush, we didn't need to put ramps in the middle here. So we create a very good workspace for one of the most common parts you need to take off. If you do the repair on a fender, or changing a fender, you need to take this off. And now, with this, everything's free here. It's easy to dismantle directly. And if you want more space, it's easy to take these ramps off. And the wheelbase is adjustable here. And the wide is adjustable also. Easy to put them on again. But by placing this car on this ramp that is 60 millimeters top of the bench, we have created a space that you can still measure the car. So you can do a quick diagnostic on the car for actually do a centering, measure all the values so you can see that the car is correct. This lift lifts today 1450 millimeters up, and it's a total weight of 4.5 vehicle weight we can lift. And it's a new construction in the scissor lift and the bottom plate. It's totally new construction. And this is actually very ergonomic. We lift on the wheels. The panel beater technician never need to go down on his feet to put any ramps out or arms out to lifting. So if we go to the other side here, by the new bench, we have shaved off the sidebar here. And actually, so we made so we can use our Q63 with additional B06 106 clamps. But of course, for Volkswagen, you need to have the pin, the correct pin. But this is for cosmetic pulls and small pulls. If you still let the vehicle stand on his wheel, put this on, hold it, do a small pull in your fender or in your hinges for a quick alignment. The car have no structural damage, it's just cosmetic. And we always talk, if you do this, you need to put up two Q63s in this place. And also, I talked on the other side about drive overability. On this side, we have the wheel stop that is standard for the bench. So we can measure, we can hold, we can do all kind of repairs, still standing on wheels. If it's just a bumper, change it, replace it, still standing on wheels, no lifting arms in the roadway. So now it's 100% usable all the time in the workshop. So my recommendation is hire one more guy, or if it's a new facility that you're building, save space, use this 100%. in the work bay instead.